Guys, we're stuck on the one. We have traffic.
All the seasoning going in there.
But
You all a very thin slice.
yeah, it's so nice. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Vlogmas day 19 and we are heading to Castries to do our Christmas shopping today. Kashama is with us, baby's here, everybody. It's going to be a very fun day. We're going to make this Christmas shopping very fun and not just, you know, uptight despite the rush in town and the amount of people and the traffic. All of that, none of that is going to get to us today, right? Everybody?
Yes.
Guys, we're stuck on the one. We have traffic. Like I told you all, that's what it is. That's the reality of it. Camera. Guys, we made a little stop to get some food. We left the house very early, 7:30 to be exact, because we wanted to beat the whole traffic thing. And yet still, when we passed by West Deck, there was a long line. So we changed our minds about stopping there first. We're grabbing a little bit of breakfast because we only had a little tea when we left the house. Kashama had food though. Kashama had something to eat. Yeah, and then we're going to go to the north. We have 2 stops making the north. We have to get groceries and we also have to get some medication, some very strong painkillers for money, because you know he has the cancer and right now the leg is very painful for him, so we're giving him some very strong painkillers from the vet's office, and we see that it's working. He's able to move around and all of that, so we just want to make sure that we have a supply of it for him. So Kashama was just talking about the new boba place that there's a new boba place in Castries. Kashama was just talking about getting boba. She's never had boba, so if all goes well with the day, we might stop to get some boba so she can taste it. Right, Kush?
Yeah. You already tasted?
Yep, I had boba already.
It's good?
It's good, depending on which one that you choose. There are different types, different flavors.
Which one you take?
I don't think you might like what I took. I can't even remember, but it was like green tea, and yeah, it was tasting very nice. But then, I mean, when we check the flavors, then you can choose what you like, right?
Okay. I'm drinking sorrel juice.
We're at our first stop.
Yay!
Susie's Variety.
Yay!
Really chance cut.
We can get some veggies.
Vegetable.
Take the small bag, Kashama, the small green one.
The small green one.
Guys, we made 2 stops already. We stopped at Trans Caribbean, we stopped at S&S to get some cleaning supplies and stuff for the house, because I told you guys the last vlog that I wanted to do a little deep cleaning before Christmas. Of course, like before the new year, I normally do a very deep cleaning of the entire home, but I want Christmas to feel fresh as well. You hope you're working on that day?
Yeah, man. And you know, them I'll tell you, and them come and check you so I can invite my home.
Wow.
So I come home the fresh.
Yeah, because you know how you get caught up in these things already. You know how it gets caught up, because I wake up on the morning and I'll be like, today's the day. And then he'll be like, babe, like what happened? What happened? How is today you choose to do
You should start cleaning today.
And I'll go to work today.
And we are stuck in traffic. No traffic?
That's traffic. That's not.
Well, on the other side, they're stuck in traffic. You don't have much traffic coming down right now. We have to. You were saying we have to get cloves and spices in the ham. Yeah.
And I want to prepare a schnitzel for lunch today.
Someone's about to be
Shama,
cooking.
do you know what a schnitzel is? It's a German dish. I had it in Austria. I had it in Austria of my boy Dale St. Jules.
I know.
Shout out to Dale.
I know Dale.
And I look at some recipes and I'm gonna try to do it.
I know Dale.
Yep, you know Dale.
We're at the supermarket. This is one of our last stops before we go to town.
Yeah.
It's raining. Let's go.
Watch out, Chef. Vehicles coming through. Let's go. Go.
Just came from the supermarket. How was the supermarket visit? It was long. It was long.
Very.
Oh my god. But we got almost everything we needed except eggs. People, you all take all the eggs from the supermarket. We need to stop another place to see if we get some eggs, because who's going to bake without eggs?
And my boba.
And Kashama keeps reminding us that we have to get boba. Oh my god. But so far so good. Shopping is being done. Getting it out of the way, because ain't nobody shopping next week for sure. Because next week is going to be even more crazy. That's like the week of Christmas, when some people will shop late and other people will be getting the... Anyways, guys, you guys understand what I'm saying. Guys, we just stopped at the vet's office. Huxley went in along with Kashama. They went to check on the medication. I believe he said that the doctor said there was an alternative medication that many could take that is not as costly, because many has to take painkillers every day. 2 tablets, I believe, every day for the pain, because the leg is really swollen. When he takes the painkillers, I can literally see the difference. He's happier, he moves about, all of that. So we have to make sure that we have them on hand. My God, we are stuck in traffic for real, for real.
Good morning. I was supposed to pick up.
So we're going to check to see if West Tech has less people so we can pick up our packages. If that's not the case, then that would have to be a tomorrow thing, because and we also have to pass by La Place Salison, get some meat, and I think that's about it, and get Kashama's boba because she's been singing boba 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 in our ears the entire morning. Now we're stuck in traffic, so I'll be walking with Shama, who looks exhausted from the traffic. You want your boba?
No.
We know.
I reckon you for auntie. Turn it on. She got her bubble tea boba.
Oh my god, guys, we are on our way home now. It was the longest wait at West Tech. Longest wait ever. You could ask Kashama.
Yes, because I was falling asleep.
Kashama was inside with me and she was literally falling asleep. Guys, we arrived at West Tech after 12 and we left after 2. So that is to say it was very, very long. But anyway, we're on our way back home. We did say nothing will spoil our day. So we beat the traffic, we went through the traffic, we went to West Tech, we bought our groceries, we did a little bit of Christmas shopping. Thank God for that. We'll see you guys when we get home.
Here, see chicken, I smell it.
Smell good, eh?
Oh!
CPJ it is.
Right.
But I am staying inside the car.
And I am staying too.
The version of what we in there.
Drink plenty of water.
Guys, we are back home. I actually changed already. I had to get out of these clothes that I was in from morning. But we're packing our groceries right now. I'm still recovering from the West Tech wait. I just can't wait to actually sit down and relax a bit from the Castries rush. Then pack. What are we making today for lunch? For dinner, in fact.
Schnitzel and fresh salad. That's it.
Nice.
Normally it's served with some fries and stuff, but we're not doing the fries today. So I have to trim the fat first. You can save the fat for something else, but
our groceries are packed. We're right now just doing a little bit of chores. I'm doing some dishes right now. I have my gloves on, and also we're wiping down surfaces and stuff, things that we would normally do on a morning, but since we left very early, we did not have a chance to do it. And then after that, and Huxley is making dinner for us. Well, I believe I'm the one making the salad right there.
I'm
making the salad with Kashama, and he is making the schnitzel. Cause I don't know how to make it. What's it? Schnitzel. So you're butterflying the meat?
I wasn't supposed to split it wide, but
It happens.
it's equally that. You washing?
Yeah, I be wifing it.
So time to go. Black pepper, we're using dried seasonings alone. Dried seasonings. roasted garlic. It has salt, we have a good amount of meat, so we just making sure we have a good coating, and we're going to mix it up. I should have just used the bigger side. So now some pink Himalayan salt, just a pinch because the garlic pepper has salt in it. Then we go in with a dash of olive oil. And now we're going to mix it up. The royal whisker. You go, girl. You go. We have our flour. We have our whisked eggs, and then our panko breadcrumbs. It's better to get plain. I do like the flavored breadcrumbs. Alright, so time for beating. So our thing was in the seasoning there. Checking out our first victim, and we put it in the bag flat in the bag. We take our pounder there, we're taking our pounder, and there we go. Want that to be thin. All the seasoning going in there. Okay. Dry, nice and dry pan. We'll add our oil. Up. We'll add almost half the bottle of oil. We'll let it not get hot. So you let it show. So you see that? Thin, broken up. That was a tenderloin. Now tenderloin is already very soft, and now after doing that, it's going to be so easy. Remember to come too close. Put flour. Might be damn too much.
There's Shama and Huxley in the kitchen.
You can see.
Do the eggs. Make sure you have a coating of eggs everywhere. Then we're down to the panko now.
Those are really breadcrumbs.
Breadcrumbs, eh?
This is nice.
Covered into the panko and into the oil. Just to flip that in there.
The chef in the kitchen today.
And it's not long. It's literally 2 minutes aside. So it's very thin, tender. You want to overcook a little bit.
Period.
See how quickly it turns because it's very thin.
Yeah, we do.
Browning up already. Ah, boy. What? Looking good, looking good. Almost done.
Ooh. Little chef, little chef. She said she got this. Look at that. Oh my god. Good job, Shama. Wow.
Put the flat in. Put the flat in. No. You
Put it flat in.
You still have to place it about. Go back in the egg. Right. On both sides.
Good job.
Okay. First schnitzel is done. Take out.
Look at that, y'all. Wow.
I told them
who's coming home for dinner?
I told them what I did. I got that frame of course. It's a German dish right there.
I'm gonna eat a German dish because you ate it in Austria.
Yep.
I was not in Austria, so I'm going to eat some of that German food.
With me.
Watch me. You know what you do? Don't drop it. Put hair first in there, down in the corner here. And lovely.
Good job.
Let me pound the next one for you.
I'm here to test.
White on the inside, right? White.
That is so good. No, but that part, that's so
Oh, you have a lot of thing there.
you don't have a lot of meat, the part that I took. But
Yeah, because it's got a very thin slice.
Yeah, it's so nice. Look at the meat on the inside. Juicy.
Going good, Shama Shams. Alright, take your time. Right there. Roll it, same way. Put it on the side. Next one. Alright, fix them, pull them away. Right, next one. Wonderful, wonderful, chef.
Yay!
Pick it up from the side and just flip it. Yeah. Wonderful. Great job, Dudu. Great job.
Yay.
Let's go. Give them a ride here, man. Lovely.
Busy.
That's so. You left.
We're having bread with it tonight. We'll have a little bit of bread and something to drink. Bread. We have bread. Bread with a little salt. It's a fresh salad. I'm looking forward to eating. That looks good. With your drink.
Alright.
Good stuff, babe. Dinner was so good. So good, guys. And I'm not lying to you. Dinner was ridiculously good tonight. I know you guys saw it was just a salad and schnitzel, but guys, that was so good. That was so tasty. Hubby came through with that dinner, and Kashama, of course, helped him out. Kashama is so good in the kitchen as well. I'm just so happy. We had a long day in Castries. So, guys, I am going to close the video now, sadly. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And for those of you who have not subscribed to the S.EvarLove family, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. We have a lot coming. And hit the notification bell so you get notified when I post another video. Guys, this was Vlogmas day 19. I'll see you guys for Vlogmas day 20. Bye, guys. Bye.